feeling of the box. What did you get? It's a house for the new Juju puppies.